everyone. Well, yes, you're not seeing me at my best today, but I want to do a little review on this splash spray. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, and it comes with tablets and this bottle. And you put the tablet in the bottle, and you fill the bottle with warm water, shake it up, let the tablet dissolve, and you're supposed to be able to spray it inside your oven and just about everywhere, and it will sparkle. Well, my oven is a mess, so don't judge me, but I'm getting off my knees now, and I'm going to demonstrate this. I bought it with my own money, and I'm going to see if it really works. Stay tuned. Right now, my oven leaves a lot to be desired. I did a big spiral ham in there with the glaze. I made side dishes, and it splattered, and my oven door is a mess. And I have a self-cleaning oven, but the inside of it got messy too. And I put some foil on the bottom, and then what happened? Well, the foil stuck. So I saw this online. It's called Splash, and they're multi-purpose cleaning tablets. And it says on the bag they clean viruses, they clean bacteria, and it kills fungi. And what you're supposed to do is, it came with this bottle. Let me show you over here. It came with a squirt bottle, and you're supposed to fill the bottle with warm water, put one tablet in it, and then spray it on the area you want to clean. Now here's what it tells you, that it's easy to spray and wipe. You just rotate the nozzle on the bottle, you spray it only on the surface, you wipe it clean. It says here, wipe the surface with a scouring pad, but it doesn't tell you that on the directions. And your cleaning is complete. And it's supposed to magically, you wipe it off, make it sparkle. So I'm going to try it now, and I'll let you know what I think. I saw this online somewhere. I can't even remember where. I purchased it with my own money. You could buy the tablets in smaller bags or larger bags. I bought the smaller bag because I wasn't sure if it's going to work. And it's supposed to be a multi-purpose cleaning system. It says it penetrates through grease, grime, rust, lime, soap, scum, and more. Okay, so this is what the tablet looks like. I'm going to put it into my spray bottle of warm water now, and we're going to get going. Okay, I filled the bottle with warm water. I'm filming this with one hand. So let me take the tablet and plop it in there. Ooh, plop, plop, fizz, fizz. I can see it fizzing, just like Alka-Seltzer. Oh boy. All right, it's fizzling, fizzing, fizzing, fizzing. It's down the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. It's dissolving, just like Alka-Seltzer. All right, let me put this in now, and I'm going to shake it, shake it, shake it, and go over to the oven. The tablet is still dissolving, but this is what I'm going to use when I wipe it off. I bought these from TEMU. That's where they don't scratch. They're for dishes, and they have the two sides to them, and I also have some paper towels. Hi! Okay, I'm down on the floor here, and I'm going to start spraying. I've been shaking it, a little foamy, and here we go. It says to spray everything, and then to wipe it. So we're going to see if this really does what it's supposed to do. And it does tell you to keep it away from your eyes and children and pets. Well, I think I sprayed enough on there. What do you think? Oh, let me get up now. Oh! Well, it doesn't say how long to leave it. It just says spray it and wipe it. So let me see, I have some paper towel here. I'm gonna try this window first. Now some of this, there's 2 pieces of glass. Some got in between the glass, I don't know how, so you can't clean that. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. It's taken off the dirt, but not as much as I thought. I'm going to do it one more time and see if it works any better. Thought it would take off this a little bit better. But do another spray here on the window. I think I'm going to try it with the other cloth I have as opposed to the paper towel. I do intend to do the whole oven, but I wanted to do this to see if it works. Okay, I'll be back in a second. We're going to try using this. Okay, my old knees are hurting. I'm going to try it with this and see what happens. So I have to say, on the oven area, like here, it's coming out very nicely. But I don't know about the glass. Let's try that. Can you hear that? Not really cleaning the glass. No. Now I'm going to try something else. I have a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I'm going to spray a tiny bit more on the glass and see if this magic eraser works. There's no smell, so you don't have that awful smell of using oven cleaner. So let's see. Here we go. Well, it is coming off. I don't know if I'm attributing that to the cleaner or the magic eraser. I don't know. But that it cleaned this part really good, but I'm not crazy about the glass that's stuck on there. Round and round and round we go. Let's try that side. And then I'm going to do the inside, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on this. So stay tuned. Okay, I sprayed the inside of the oven, so let's see how good this stuff works. So far, so good, and I'm not even rubbing. Wow. This oven is a mess. I should have cleaned it weeks ago, and I didn't. Woo! Get in there. Now, I have to say, the bottom here, where we had a problem, is not coming clean. I'm going to give it one more spray. Give my door one more little spray, just for fun. Okay, let me try the bottom here again. Geez, I'm in a sweat down here. Bet you never thought you were going to be seeing me clean an oven, did you? A yucky oven, too.
Is that full thing work better or not?
The film is on. What's going on? What works better?
Full, spray full cleaner.
Yeah, well, I know. That's why I'm trying this. It's a demo. My son just walked in here and he said, Mom, don't you think the foam oven cleaner works better? And I said, well, that's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, it's hard to get a good picture because when you open the oven door, the light shines on it. And then they did show the oven racks just sparkling. So I'm going to try one of those and see before I give my final review on this splash spray. Let me just say that cleaning the racks was a nightmare. I used the spray over and over. I even used a scouring pad, and it took me forever. So I would say definitely nada. This solution did not make it easy to clean my oven racks. Okay, hi everyone. Well, I did want to give you my final thoughts on this splash cleaner. But to be honest with you, I was absolutely exhausted last night after cleaning that oven. Let me tell you, it took a while. Let me just tell you what the claim is on this, okay? I'll just read you a sentence or two. Now, it says that Splash Foam Spray is an innovative product designed exclusively for heavy-duty cleaning. And it is eco-friendly and has non-toxic ingredients that are guaranteed not to harm your animals or your skin. Although they do recommend you can wear gloves if you'd like to. And they say here, and this is at the end, I'll skip over most of it. They say here that the Splash Foam Spray is powerful enough to remove grease stains on range hoods, toilet floor stains, and even stains on your car's interior. Claims their company's mission is to clean where other cleaning products fail. Okay, now my final thoughts. I was under the impression that you sprayed this, you left it on for a couple of minutes, and you wiped it clean. Well, as you saw, and you only saw a smidgen of what I was working on in that oven, that was not the case. I was spraying this on several times and rubbing with different things to try to get it off. All right, let's just say after some hard work, it was okay. Certainly wasn't what I thought it was going to be. But then the final test to me was when I was going to clean the oven racks. I put a picture in for you of how sparkly they say that the oven racks are supposed to come out. So I brought them over to my sink and I had the water running and I sprayed them, and it even said you could use a scouring pad. So I did it the first time. I didn't see much coming off at all. I did it again. No. They certainly didn't come out sparkling and clean like the picture. They came a tiny bit better, but nothing that I was thrilled about. So my final thoughts on this whole thing. Oh, and I should tell you that I think it was an ad on maybe Facebook that I saw that I purchased this from. And it wasn't till after I did this review for you that I looked and I saw it was advertised on Amazon. So I checked the reviews on Amazon, They were not good at all. People were saying on there, oh, water would have been better. It was a waste of money. People were complaining that the products they got all came from China and all the instructions were in Chinese, so they couldn't read it. The only instructions I got were those few instructions on the bottle. And, I did what it said to do. Oh, my knees are hurting me down on this floor, but I wanted to give you the effect of the oven. So anyway, my thoughts on this are, if you are using this for, let's say, your bathroom, maybe your sink, I don't know, maybe if you're using it for your glass doors, maybe your kitchen counter, things like that, it probably will do the job. But as far as cleaning a dirty oven with this, sorry, I have to give it a thumbs down. Even my son, you heard him when he walked in, he said, Mom, I was bending over, I was in a sweat. And he's like, Mom, why don't you just use that foam cleaner? And I said, well, I wanted to compare it because, of course, the ads look fantastic. So I would say for certain areas of your home, it probably works. If you're looking for like non-toxic or whatever, then it might work for you. But for an oven, just my personal opinion, not a sponsored video at all, not getting paid for this, bought it with my own money, I say I would not use it for my oven again. What I will use is the handy dandy Easy Off. Now you have no fumes with this splash foam. However, this now says no gloves needed, and it says fume free and safe for self-cleaning ovens. And my oven is a self-cleaning oven. I just let it go a little too long and I should have cleaned it earlier. It also says that it destroys tough burned on food and grease, and it also does, you can do a 30-second, great for spot cleaning. So no, I'm not sponsored by Easy Off either. They don't know who I am from Adam, but I will say I got the oven as clean as I could. Today what I'm going to do is later on I'm going to put it on self-clean, and I figure what didn't come clean, that will take care of. And in the future, this is going to be, and I've used it before, my oven cleaner of choice. So I just wanted to, I don't do that many reviews. I only do maybe 2 or 3 a year. And they're always reviews that I bought with my own money. I think one review I did was a toaster. I didn't get paid for it. It was a couple of years ago. But they did give me the toaster, and we still use the toaster. Toaster works great. But this, I say save your money. I think I paid like $20 for that bottle. And they tell you they're giving you the bottle for free. You could probably get the bottle in the dollar store for $1. And then I got the little pack of the tablets. And I can't remember, I think there was shipping on it. So let's say $20, $25. And I was killing myself in that oven? No. So anyway, you want to try it? Feel free. Maybe it'll work for you. But in my honest opinion, it didn't work for me. So anyway, if you're still here, thanks for watching. Now the fun part is going to be to see if I can get up off this floor. Because let me tell you, it's not easy with the knees. No, it isn't. It's not easy with my knees to get up. I might have to have the hubby try to get me up. Although, then we'll both be on the floor. And who's going to get him up? All right, so thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. I like to throw in a review once in a while. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe. And it's free, and you'll get notifications whenever I have a new video up. And I have some Valentine's ones coming up very soon. So anyway, I will see you soon. Toodles!